Hi, I'm Gary. Let's enjoy English together. Today's targets are 1. Nature and transportation, and 2. Phonics, silent letters, WR, R, and MB. Don't forget, let's start the DVD lesson. Next, let's do some actions. Did you remember the actions we did last lesson? Let's do it together. Are you ready? Stand up. On. In. Under. Above. In front of. Behind. Next to. Sit down. Okay, good job. Now let's do it again. Are you ready? Stand up. On. In. Under. Above. In front of. Behind. Next to. Sit down. Excellent! Hi, it's phonics time. This week, let's practice 2 combinations of silent letters of WR and MB. First, let's start with WR sound. When the letters are together in a word, the W is silent as in right and wrong. Let's begin. WR is R. Rap. WR is R. Okay, let's try the WR sound together. 1, 2. R. 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 Very good. Finally, let's say them all together, shall we? WR is R. Rap. Are you ready? 1, 2. WR is R. Rap. Wonderful. Next, let's practice MB sound. When the letters MB are together in a word, the B is silent as in thumb and bomb. Let's begin. MB is Thumb. MB is Okay, let's try the MB sound together. 1, 2. Very good. Finally, let's say them all together, shall we? MB is Thumb. Are you ready? 1, 2. MB is Thumb. Wonderful. It's time to sing. Did you listen to the song, This Is the Way? Let's sing together slowly, at the same time with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the way I wash my face, wash my face, wash my face. This is the way I wash my face every day in the morning. Let's sing the next verse. This is the way I brush my teeth, brush my teeth, brush my teeth. This is the way I brush my teeth every day in the morning. Let's sing the next verse. This is the way I comb my hair, comb my hair, comb my hair. This is the way I comb my hair every day in the morning. Let's sing the next verse. This is the way I make my bed, make my bed, make my bed. This is the way I make my bed every day in the morning. Let's go to the last verse. This is the way I put on my clothes, put on my clothes, put on my clothes. This is the way I put on my clothes every day in the morning. Okay, please practice this song at home, okay? Goodbye. It's vocabulary time. Let's review the words you learned last time. It's an airplane. It's the sea. It's a lake. It's a river. It's a mountain. It's a train. It's a helicopter. Next, I'm going to give you a small hint. Try to say the answer before I tell you what it is. Are you ready? What is it? It's an aeroplane. What is it? It's a lake. What is it? It's a train. What is it? It's a river. What is it? It's the sea. What is it? It's a mountain. What is it? It's a helicopter. Could you say them all? Well done. Hi! It's chants time. Let's enjoy doing the chants. This week, let's do it together slowly. Are you ready? Put on your shoes. Take off your shoes. Get in a car. Get on a bus. Take it with you. Bring it back with you. Good job. Hi, it's book time. Let me read it to you again. The title is Nature and Transportation, written by Gary and Akiko. I go to the farm by truck. I go to the beach by car. I go to the park by bicycle. I go to the island by helicopter. I go to the lake by boat. We go to the mountain by bus. I go to the paddy field by train. I go to the moon by rocket. The end. How was that? Goodbye!
Hi, my name's Max.
My name is Carla.
My name is Dino.
Now let's play the sound guessing game. Somebody says wrong. Guess who? Are you ready?
Wrong.
Long. Wrote.
Who said wrong?
I did. I said wrong.
Oh, Carla said wrong. Did you get it? By the way, what did you say, Max?
I said long. Long.
I see. How about you, Linda? Linda?
I said wrote. Wrote.
I see.
Bye, everybody. See you next time.
Hey, how was that? Now today's DVD lesson is over. Can you remember today's targets? Today's targets were 1. Nature and transportation, and 2. Phonics, silent letters WR, RIP, and MB, Don't forget. See you next time. Goodbye.